Hello and welcome to Sikha Crafts. Today I am going to share a glass bottle decoration idea which is beautiful and yet easy to make. But before I start, there is a short request. This is a glass bottle which I will paint with white acrylic color. Only one coat has been used. Use a sponge to apply the color and color it evenly. Keep it for drying. It is fully dry now. This is a printout of some images. Normal printout on a thick paper. You will need this brown sellotape and scissors. To begin with, stick sellotape on the back side of the paper. Now why I am doing this? I am doing this to decrease the thickness of the paper. If the paper becomes thin, then it will be easy to stick on the bottle. Do it in portions. Now pull out the sellotape of the paper. Do this carefully. Pull out the sellotape in a diagonal direction. Look how much paper has come out with the tape and the paper has become thin. Repeat the process. Do it in portions. Stick the sellotape. Press properly. And then it's time to pull out the sellotape. Now cut out the designs. At first I have taken 3 designs and later I have added one more. So 4 designs on 4 sides of this glass bottle. To stick the designs, use decoupage glue, and here the tutorial follows.